let's get started. Welcome to It Happens. I hate buying watermelons. They're delicious, but I can never tell which one to get. So today, we have three. We have a small pale one, even though it's still kind of big. Medium, semi-pale, and dark green. I did all the tests in the store. I did the knock test, the slap test, and the combination of the two. I'm not sure if any of them are any good. So we're going to try all three and see which one's the best. Small and pale. 8-pound maul. Don't do this at home. Still got it. Fuck. Pardon the language. A little bland, slightly hollow. I might have came in a little too hot. Up next, we have pale and green. We'll see what happens. Okay, a little gentler that time. That's kind of gritty. Feels kind of gritty. I don't think the axe had anything to do with it. Sorry, splitting maul had anything to do with it. Sweeter, grittier. And yes, these are seeded, because seedless watermelons are for communists. I don't hate it. Texture's not the best. Moving on. Lastly, the big one. The pallet said it's from Texas. The sticker said it's from Nebraska. So, you decide. Tried to go based off the stem on this one. Did the knock. Did the slap. I'm undecided. Let's do that again. Very pale. Looks pretty gritty. Very watery, very juicy. Texture's not bad. Yeah, watery. I think the winner is the medium, semi-pale, semi-dark, even though it's got that grittiness to it, but it has the best flavor. So I think that settles it. I still have no idea which one to buy. It happens. My wife's gonna kill me. I'm not sweating. Sprayed myself with a hose. Promise. I don't think the wife will ever know. Shh. The hose may have fallen back a little. I bid you good night. That was delayed. It happens.